Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or a weekend DIYer, a reliable wood filler is a must-have tool in your repair kit. In this video, we're reviewing 5 of the best wood fillers available on Amazon, tested by professionals and homeowners alike for durability, ease of use, and finish quality. Let's begin with the 3M BONDO wood filler, a product trusted for serious, heavy-duty repairs. Unlike most standard fillers, this is a 2-part epoxy-based system. Once mixed, it sets quickly and dries to an incredibly hard finish that can be sanded, drilled, or painted. Its strength is impressive. Many users claim it cures even harder than the surrounding wood, making it ideal for structural repairs like rotted deck boards, windowsills, and damaged furniture. Professionals appreciate how well it bonds to both soft and hardwoods, and its resistance to shrinking or cracking over time. If your project involves significant damage or you need something that can handle stress and weight, BONDO is the best bet. Next up is the WELD KWIKWOOD epoxy stick, which is perfect for smaller, quick repairs. It's a 1-part putty stick that you knead by hand, making it incredibly convenient for patching nail holes, chips, and cracks. Once applied, it cures in less than an hour and can be sanded, painted, or stained. Despite its compact size, it delivers excellent bonding strength and is surprisingly durable. Users love it for on-the-fly fixes on furniture, cabinetry, and trim. It's especially helpful for sculpting or shaping small damaged areas where precision matters. While it's not ideal for large surface areas, its portability and reliability make it a favorite for quick, effective repairs. Third on the list is DAP Plastic Wood All-Purpose Filler, which offers a great balance of versatility and performance. It's solvent-based and infused with real wood fibers, giving it a texture and finish that closely mimics actual wood once dry. It's suitable for both interior and exterior projects, resists shrinking and cracking, and can be sanded, stained, or painted to match the surrounding area. Its creamy consistency spreads easily with a putty knife and dries relatively quickly. Whether you're fixing floorboards, baseboards, or cabinetry, DAP plastic wood is a go-to option for both professionals and DIYers who need a dependable all-around filler. For furniture and fine woodworking projects, GOODFILLA water-based wood and grain filler stands out. This filler is unique in that it not only fills gaps and dents, but also serves as a grain filler for achieving that flawless, glass-smooth finish on porous woods like oak and mahogany. It's eco-friendly, low in VOCs, and comes in multiple wood tone colors, allowing for easy blending with your existing surface. It's also rehydrable, meaning you can add water to reuse leftover filler without waste. Users praise its sustainability and the professional-grade finish it delivers, especially on tabletops, cabinets, and instruments. If your goal is a perfectly smooth, stain-ready finish, GOODFILLA is the top pick. Rounding out the list is TOUPRET Wood Filler, a trade-grade filler imported from France that's gaining popularity among contractors and decorators. It's known for its incredibly smooth application, fast drying time, and excellent sandability. It's ideal for both interior and exterior use and works well on everything from door frames to wooden trims. What sets TOUPRET apart is how well it finishes, creating a nearly invisible patch after sanding and painting. Many professional users in Europe swear by it for quick, flawless finishes, especially in restoration and decorative work. If you want a filler that performs with minimal fuss and maximum finish quality, TOUPRET delivers. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you pick the right wood filler for your next project, be sure to subscribe for more expert recommendations and tool reviews tailored to DIY and professional needs alike.